Hi everyone, and welcome to another daily video from Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle. My name is Ricky Hayes. It's lovely to meet you all. So today's video is all about DPA or dynamic product ads, okay? So let's get straight into it. Alright, so DPA ads are a fantastic way of making income. It's a retargeting method. You can actually use it for cold traffic. Some of my good friends have recommended that. It might be something I'll look into in the future. At this stage, I've just been using it purely for retargeting. Very easy to set up, and I'll guide you through this. This is just a fake pixel that I've made. Before we do get further into it though, I'm not sure if you see my dog Susie. She's just turned 2. Say hi, Susie. You're a good girl. So say hi to Susie for me. Wish her a happy birthday. So basically, catalog sales. It'll come up as the name. I just made catalog sales. It'll just name it that. By default, you can name it anything you want. It's just a campaign name. Went through that in a previous video. It's just a name. So, Ricky DPA. Don't ever do these budget optimization. Leave those off. Yeah, cool. Alright, so by default, it's going to, your product set is your catalog. So it's going to pick up your catalog. And I made that. Ricky Hayes. I thought that would be funny. It'll pick up your entire catalog. All you need to do is install your Facebook sales channel, which is that little plus button above your online store. Connect your Facebook, which connects to your page. It'll push your catalog of all your products. That's all you do. I choose all products. I used to do specific products when I was doing specific marketing, but I thought, no, stuff this. This is a pain in the ass. So the cool thing with a dynamic product ad is it uses your pixel data. Your pixel does the work for you. So you've paid to get that cold traffic. It stores what they've done all in that. And this then pretty much takes out the ability, the need for doing custom audiences as much. I mean, you can still do them, but I like this because it does the hard work for me. I don't have to sit there and just be like, oh shit, you know, this, that, and it just works. So I go, stuff this, it works well. It's already been working for other people, it'll work for you. You just need to find a product that that'll sell. So I'll guide you through this. Very simple. So you go create new, you use information from your pixel. You can even define an audience. So it's like that, but it's a bit different. But I just go this. By default, you want to start at viewer added to cart for the last 14 days. I'm doing 14 days and 180 days. The reason that I just chose 180, I just wanted to capture everyone. I might do 14, I might do then 30. I don't know. I haven't gotten that far. I haven't really cared that much because the store that I'm running, the one that I've been showing you all, isn't that old. It's just been working well, so I capture them there. And the 180 days will retarget them again. So, and I'm happy retargeting people twice. I might make it a third time. Haven't decided yet. But start at 14 days. So it'll cover everyone. So anyone that's just viewed your page and left, they'll get retargeted. Anyone that's added to cart and left, they'll retarget. Anyone that's added to cart and gone all the way to checkout will get retargeted because they've added to cart. Okay, so it records all of that. That's why it's very important that you have your pixel installed properly. It's part of the reason I use track fires. It gets even better pixel fires. So as you start scaling, you definitely want to look at Trackify. It's $25 a month now, and it's absolutely fantastic. It can automate a lot more. You can get better clarity of your sales, and you're going to get better retargeting because it, for some reason, the code that it runs, it fires the pixel events faster than the Facebook default one, which resulting means that sometimes it may not fire at all, and you might miss a VC or an add to cart, and that person may not be retargeted for some reason, and you can retarget them. So you're just getting a cleaner pixel, and it's 25 bucks, nothing for the amount of time it saves me. The other thing you might want to do, you can go added to basket but not purchased. So you could say added to basket but not purchased. You can, again, see how much easier this is. If you wanted to do added to basket but not purchased, I would recommend that you go add to basket in the last 28 days, and you also go viewed in the last 28 days. So it's very similar to this, but with the added, exclusion of that they haven't purchased. So you can make a simple custom combination, and that's it. That's what I do. That's what I do. So that I'm not retargeting people that purchased, basically, in that time frame, and whatever time frame that may be. I choose 180 days, so I just don't retarget anyone. Because if I wanted to retarget anyone, I'd make a specific campaign for that to try and get them to come back. So you can edit placements. I edit placements. I actually leave desktop open now. Believe it or not, for retargeting ads, desktop actually does quite well because I now know they're on desktop. For me, anyway, it does well. Did you just hear that? Yeah, that was a sale. Anyway, but I love that sound. Basically, you want to leave all these open except marketplace. It's terrible. And audience network, okay? You want to leave right column because that's for desktop, feed, and messenger. Messenger actually works, especially because this is like carousel. It works really well on Messenger. You're not going to get most of your sales from it, but I've definitely gotten a good number of sales from Messenger for retargeting. And I've been very happy with it. What you will find as an expert little tip here is that if you do find Messenger does really well, unfortunately it's a royal pain in the ass. You can't have Messenger by itself. You have to have at least Facebook. So you're going to have Facebook. I do Marketplace and Messenger. So because Marketplace never targets much, so it'll mostly target Messenger. You can't do it by itself. It's just how they've coded it. Leave all mobile devices open. Daily budget, I don't know why it's set to that, but let's just put it as 10. For retargeting, set $5 to $10. And again, we'll get to this, but I use my same automated rule that applies to this, and it's as simple as that. Leave it running, and you want conversion event, 1 day click, purchase, auto bid. That's it. That is all you do. You don't need to do any audience work. That's all you do. Carousel is again what I do because I like to do carousel from start to finish. 1, it's easy to manage. 2, it's just images that just take little to no work. And 3, it's keeping a consistent marketing system for you. If you're running videos, I try and do video retargeting because you just try and keep it consistent. That's what I like to do anyway. But it's up to you. Basically, I'm not sure if it's going to show my catalog. I haven't connected a page. But anyway, you want to connect a page. I mustn't have it set up properly. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You connect your page, and then you put in your text. So here you'll see product name, product current price. You leave that. Shop now. It'll do that by default. You don't worry about deep link. You don't want to do that. Mobile app, you don't want to do this. I got an error, so good for me. You want to put in some text. So I just put hi there, and a wave emoji. Wave emoji. Hi there. We see you were interested in our dog products. See, and with this, you don't have to make a specific one. You make it a little broad because it's targeting everyone and you don't know what products they've seen. You just keep it broad, and that's why having a general niche works well because you know the niche, and so you can just use a specific keyword like dog, but you just say then a broad word like products or collection or that. Anyway, and so we see you're interested in our dog products. We are sorry to see you go! Exclamation mark. Enter. Return today to get 20% off using discount code SAVE20. That's the actual exact discount code word that I use. Save. I use save 5, save 10, save 20, save 15. I like it because they know it says save. So psychologically, it's save 10. They save 20, save 30. It's consistent, and it psychologically tells them what they're going to save just in the word. You got to remember with like a brand and that as well, the brand tells you a bit of the business as well at times. So just keep that in mind. It's up to you, of course. At the end of the day, that's just speculation. So it's up to you. Using discount code SAVE20, redeemed at checkout. Code lasts 24 hours only. ... 20% off. Oh, sorry. Plus free shipping. And just use the shipping thing there. Again, they should know that it's free shipping, but you're just hammering it home. You're just reminding them. So now you're telling them they've seen your website. You're giving them a discount code, and you're reminding them they get free shipping. That's all you need to do. And just use a couple of basic emojis, like a wave, something related to your niche, like in this case the dog, and code lasts 24 hours only. And there you go. That's it. That's literally how I run it. And this is why I love DPA ads. You see more URLs, your website, so www.goodforyou.com, and add an overlay. And I do, because I run free shipping, this is another little trick. You can do strike through price, you can do percentage off, or you can do free delivery. Now, I have split tested this a bit, not majorly, but I have found that people love free delivery the most. That they like it's definitely either between percentage off or free delivery. You can put price, but again, you really want to try and sell them why they should come back and actually buy from you. All right, so by using percentage off or free delivery, I use free delivery. You're just telling them at every point free delivery, and they're like, oh yeah, I don't have to pay $5-10 delivery, which a lot of places charge, or even more. And it's like, yep, and it has an overlay, so it'll go by default be in red, and you can even change this if you want. It'll be default red. I haven't changed it. I don't care. I'm not going to spend all day just trying to find the perfect color. But you can change it to a circle, you can change it to a triangle, or you can change it to a rectangle. I have left it literally as the default. I'm not getting into the point of stuff like that because it's honestly probably going to make such a minute difference, and frankly, if you want to do that, that's cool, but I'm not that anal about my marketing when it comes to stuff like that. I keep it simple, and that's pretty much how I run it. And then you just go, I think it won't work, it's probably going to have a whinge because I haven't done it properly. Yeah, whatever, that's why it's not working. But basically that's it, and then you just go launch. With your DPA ads, launch them immediately. I know I say to launch ads at midnight, but retargeting is different. You want them ASAP. The difference with retargeting as opposed to cold traffic is it still optimizes over 24 hours, but the difference is time is against you in this case. Someone has viewed your page, added to cart, whatever. They're still hot, and the longer you leave it, the colder they're going to become. So you want to hit them while they're hot. So just launch it ASAP. Once I've made my ad, I duplicate it exact same as what I do for my cold traffic. 2 more times, so I have 3 ads of the same ad hitting different pockets of people. I know that it's retargeting, but you're going to hit different people for retargeting, okay? I get sort of more consistent results with retargeting as to the ROAS, but as a whole, I just like to use that principle, and it works well. It'll work well for you. So that's all you need to do. And then, again, for your scaling, you do even less, because this is why I love these. The whole DPA ad is automated based off your pixel and your catalog. Leave this page, and then you got your automated rule that will then scale it. So you have an automated retargeting ad that's just gonna do everything for you, and then you have an automatic scaling ad, and then so the whole process of retargeting is completely autonomous. You don't do anything. You only look at the data and optimize if you want, but you don't have to because it's really smart. And that's what I love about, like, it's just completely autonomous. Frankly, I would love my cold traffic ads to be like that too, but maybe that might happen in the future. But we make a, oh wait, sorry, I chose custom conversion. That's another topic. Sorry. But, automated rules. So again, just to reiterate, in case you're wondering how I make an automated rule. Automated rules, create rule. All active ad sets, so all ads that are on, we don't want to turn them off. We want to adjust the budget. Increase, wait. Sorry, yeah, there we go. Increase lifetime budget. Wait, no, sorry, did I choose the wrong one? Increase daily budget, sorry. Sorry, I'm just making some mistakes. By 20%, not 210%. Maximum daily budget cap is, so if you have a $10 budget at this day, and you only want the ad to ever hit $20 max, then you just set it $20. You know, you set it $50. So basically what that means is the rule only apply to ad sets underneath that, and it will only hit that mark that you specify. And you can change it at any time. The action frequency is once daily. So it just it kicks off once daily at midnight. And then we, as I said, this is something that's only been recently brought in the last month or two, I believe. Prior to that, you had to get third-party tools. I'm just trying to find it. I can't always remember where it is. Cost per purchase. I'm sure I'm under the wrong one. Ad basket. Maybe I don't have it because I haven't done any. That's weird. There should be website return on ad spend. Oh, there it is. Sorry. So website return on ad spend is greater than 2.0. And that's it. Ad. So what you've told Facebook now is all ad sets that are active, that have a ROAS of 2 and above, that are under $50 threshold at once daily, based on the lifetime value of the ad. I don't do daily. I find some reason it doesn't apply properly now, but just do the lifetime. It'll then increase it, and so it'll just keep increasing. If it gets under 2 ROAS, obviously you're manually looking at your ads. You're most likely just going to manually kill it. Okay, but if it's over 2 as a whole, it's profitable. So just leave it running, because some days it might be only 2 ROAS, the next day it might be 6, the next day it might be 1.5. It's going to have good and bad days. So that's all you do, and you schedule it for a daily again. So I don't know why the minimum amount of time. Yeah, so again, just set that to daily as well. Andrew Apple, great name, thank you. And you just name it increase budget by 20% if ROAS greater than sign 2.0 daily. That's it. You can name it whatever you want, but that's what I sort of name it like. And then you can just manage rules, and that's it. So now I've taught you how to make a retargeting ad that is going to be profitable, that is super easy to do, and how to make a automated rule so that those ads are completely autonomous and you don't have to touch them. You'll only touch them when you want to try and optimize based off what data you're getting back. That's it. That's all you need to do. Alright, so that's it from today's video. I have plenty more videos in play. Please drop a like, hit the subscribe button, the notification button, and drop a comment down below. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'm very active in here. The group's growing quickly. Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle. Don't forget to join that. I have a cheat sheet for you. It's really cool. That'll help get you started quick. The group is so interactive. I absolutely love it. So thank you for your time again today. Until tomorrow, have a lovely day and take care. Goodbye.